Hi, my name's Dylan, and I've been a patient with advanced functional medicine for 3 months tomorrow. I first came in with some pretty debilitating symptoms of GERD and acid reflux, and I was feeling a lot of discomfort in my stomach and my whole digestional tract. It was a very debilitating experience, and it prevented me from playing with my children and just interacting in my normal day-to-day relationships. It also affected me at work. There were times I had to call off of work because of it, and it was kind of an embarrassing thing to talk about. So 3 months ago, I did some research, and after many visits to my primary care physician and taking numerous and trialing numerous different medications, such as PPIs and H2 blockers to kind of help. And they did help for a little bit, but I always found that after taking them for an extended period of time, my symptoms would resurface and I would be back to square one, where I was trying to figure out how I could minimize my symptoms. So I decided to do some research into functional medicine and found advanced functional medicine here. Dr. Willis and his office here has been wonderful. I went through a very extensive blood panel and other tests that my normal doctor would not have put me through. And the first thing that really captivated me with this was after I had taken all these tests, a nurse sat down and went through every single result with me and educated me on the root cause of my symptoms. And it was then we were able to establish a protocol that they felt would be really beneficial for me. And at first I was a little skeptical because I had been going through my symptoms for so long. I had thought that this was the end for me. Once I had started my protocol and I went through my initial cleanse, which was a little rough for me at first, I started to note differences in my day-to-day mood, my energy level, and as well as just my overall symptoms. I am now officially off of all of my proton pump inhibitors and my H2 blockers. I have not been on any acid reducers for almost 3 months now. And I have so little discomfort. It's amazing. I've had so much relief from this. And when I do happen to have the occasional heartburn, it's not weeks long, it's a day long, and which is much easier to manage. And I'm only 3 months in and I'm still on my protocol. And so I recommend anybody who is on the fence and thinking about whether or not they need to get functional medicine a try, definitely give it a go. It'll be the best money you've spent. The level of care that I've experienced here with advanced functional medicine has been something, unfortunately, my primary care physician was unable and could not offer. So if you're on the fence, jump to the other side, give it a try. What have you got to lose?